Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you a fabulous thrift haul, so stay tuned. And make sure you stick around until the end because you can see the sales that I got in a week after putting a 30% coupon on my stores, so stick around. And you know me, I usually sell just about anything. I sell toys, clothing, anything that I can make a profit on, and I did get some clothing items here. I got this Free People boho top. It's a very lightweight top, and it has the peasant look to it, very hippie-ish. I got that, and I found this beautiful Escada turquoise top. And there's the brand. Escada silk top. It has the cold shoulders and it has the little ruffling at the bottom with cold shoulders. And I got this leather White House Black Market high-waisted suede pants with this pretty cutout detail on the top, and it has a jacket to match. Pretty suede jacket with the pearl snap closure. This was $9.99, so I paid up a little bit for it, but I think that I can get about $98 on this because it has such pretty feminine details on it with this cutout. Build-A-Bear bunny, and it has jointed legs and arms and embroidered eyes, and this was half off of $6.99. So I might buy her an outfit before I sell her. Insert a picture of Solds. She's so cute. Look at those eyes. And I got this beaded card wallet or change purse, and it's a beaded cat. I might keep this. This was $1.49. And this is just so beautiful. I got this wool Native American this could probably go in a frame, but look at how beautiful this is. And it seems vintage. And there's the back. Now look at how pretty that is. So colorful. And then I got these Penguin men's ankle boots. They're suede leather in very, very good condition. There's the bottoms. So these I paid up for. I paid $9.99, but I figure that I can get about $70 for these. I found another vase, just basic glass vase. I do not think it glows. This was half off of $1.99, so I spent $1 on this, and it matches another one I have, but this one's littler, so I might lot these two together and sell them together. I think I already made the listing for this, so I'm going to have to revise the listing and put them together because these belong together for sure. And my next find, I always look through the luggage section, and this was just so rad. I paid $7.99 for this, and it's a vintage briefcase. It has the handle on the top, beautiful brown leather, and the inside looks like that. It's in perfect condition. There's just a few little minor marks on it, and this is the brand Atlas Philadelphia. So it's in almost perfect condition. So this will pay for my entire haul plus some, because I'm going to put this up for $150. So that's awesome. And here I'm just showing you guys all the cutesy Easter stuff that they had at this store. So cute, all this Easter stuff. I really love Easter with all the cute bunnies and the chickies. Very cute stuff. I'm pretty sure I hit the Nerf gun mother load here at this store. They had just put all these guns out, so I went over there and I grabbed them. They were not on sale, but I think the price is good enough where I can flip all these either separately, or I might put them all in a ginormous lot and sell them together. What boy or girl doesn't want all these fun Nerf guns? Hey guys, so I got all these Nerf guns. I think I might sell them in a big, humongous lot. But I got this one. This was $4.99. This Disruptor Elite was $1.99. This Retaliator Elite was $4.99. This one was $3.99. This is a Nerf. I think this is the zombie one. I got this pistol for $2.99. I got this cool one. It has double fire action. It's Flip Fury Zombie. I got this big boy. This is the Double Dealer Nerf. That one. And I got all these mega Nerfs. This one was $6.99. Oh, this big one was $6.99 too. And I got these pistols. I might sell all of these all together as a big humongous lot, or I might split them up and sell them individual lots. But what do you guys think? Should I sell them individual or in lots? Let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching my video. Up next, I'm going to show you the sales that I've had over the past week. I put a 30% off sale on my store. So there was one sale that it was a DVD lot, Judy Garland DVD lot that I sold for $96. But the buyer kept asking me questions, and I had that feeling that something was going on with it. So she's returning it. She's saying that there's missing discs when there's no missing discs. And she was telling me that she had ordered another Judy Garland lot from somebody else, and she wasn't sure what seller I was. So there's something fishy going on with this purchase and buyer. I sent her a message saying that my listing said that the DVDs were in the box set, but the book, because it came with a book too, and that wasn't included. So I'm hoping that I get all the DVDs back, because I'm thinking that she's trying to rip me off. It's bullshit. Insert a picture here of that sale, and we'll see if I get them all back. I'll keep you guys updated. All this stuff that I showed you I got for $82.83. So, do you guys think I did good? Let me know. Okay, up next is my sales. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching, and if you've stayed this long, please smash that like button and subscribe to my channel if you're not subscribed. I would appreciate it. Until the next one guys, get out there and fly into profits.